guys, what's up? This is Macaroni and welcome back to our channel Secret Recipe Book. These days kids like me don't like homemade food. Instead, we like hotel made food which is not at all healthy. So today's our epic recipe is going to be soupy macaronis. So without any further delay, let's dig into the video. Make our soupy macaronis into a saucepan, add 1 glass of water. Then I'm going to add 2/3 cup of macaroni. You can use penne pasta also. Into this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Now give these ingredients all a really good mix. Now cover it and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes until it's 80% cooked. After 2 to 3 minutes, when it's cooked, to determine that, into a spoon or a spatula, take a piece of macaronis. Now cut it using a knife. If it cut through easily, then your macaronis are cooked. Now pour our macaronis into a sieve and strain away the excess water. Now add 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. Give it all a really good mix. This will make it more shinier and non-sticky. Now keep our macaronis aside. For the tomato puree, into a mixer jar, I'm going to add 1 chopped tomatoes and then 1 pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of degi mirch powder. Then add 2 cloves of garlic into it. Grind this mixture into really smooth paste, just like this, and keep it aside. Then into a pan, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil, then 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced green chilli. Saute them for 2 to 3 minutes until they are half cooked. Don't overcook them. After 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to add finely chopped onions. Now again saute for 2 to 3 minutes until it's rose brown. Then add 1/4 cup of capsicum, 1/4 cup of carrots, and then half cook them. Then I'm going to add our puree into this and give it all a really good mix. Then add 1 pinch of salt. Then cover it and let it cook for some time. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. It's totally optional. Then 1 tablespoon of vinegar into it. Then 2/3 cup of water and give it all a mix. Then add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Now I'm going to add 1/4 pinch of black pepper powder. Then into 1/4 cup of water, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cornflour and make a slurry. Pour it in a middle low flame. When it thickens, add a macaronis into it and again give it a mix. Cover it and cook it for 1 minute. Here you can see our shiny soupy macaroni is ready. If you want, you can add a bit more water to make it really soupy, but I'd like it this way. You would just love this recipe. I can't wait to try it out. If I fulfilled your cravings, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and keep the notification bell on so that you always get notified when I'm posting my next video. Till then, adios.